Which you guys got another video on how to transfer photos and videos from your Android phone to your laptop or PC. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and most reliable way of transferring your data. So here we have our Android phone. What we're going to need to do is plug it into our computer. So get yourself your cable and plug it into your phone, and then plug that into the connection on your PC or laptop. So this is what we've got here. Now I'm using an old Samsung S9 here, but it will be the same for any other type of Android phone. Once you plug it in, if you're in charge only mode, you may need to allow access for phone data. This way, it will allow you to transfer your photos and videos from your phone to your computer. You may also need to pull down here and you'll see where it says Android system USB for file transfer. You can tap on this and make sure you've got this set up correctly. If you've got it in charging phone only, you're not going to be able to transfer data from your phone to the PC. So just change that setting. Once you're done, head over to your laptop or PC. And what you want to do is we're going to open up the start button here. We're on Windows 11 here. And what we're going to do is go to our photo app. So if we go to our start menu and look for photos, click on the Photos app. And once this opens right here, we can close this box off. Up the very top here, on the top right hand side, you'll see Import. Drop that down and you should see your phone listed right here. Click on it and it will load up all of your photos and videos that you have stored on that phone. They've not transferred over just yet. They're just showing you a menu of what you have on that phone. From here, you can select all or check which ones you want to copy over from your phone to your PC. So from here, I'm just going to do one here just to show you. And now all we need to do is add one item up the top right. Click on that blue button. And then another box will pop up and it will go into your photos. You can create a new folder if you want to and call it, say, phone. And from there, we can create that and now select it. So we make sure we're going to be copying the data into that. Click on import and it will copy that data over. If you want to copy over a video, you can do. Down the bottom, it will tell you exactly the transfer has successfully gone over and imported into that folder. And then we can see on the left-hand side here, there is our phone right here. You can disconnect it here if you want to. You can also copy over from OneDrive and iCloud photos as well. You will notice that we are on a local account. We haven't had to sign into a Microsoft account to carry out this file transfer from our phone to our PC. If you wanted to copy over a video, you can do. It does work with photos and videos. We also have a little rocker button up here saying show only selected items. And we also have a list of what we have here on our phone, 6 photos and 2 videos. So let's check mark a video quickly and I'll show you how to import that over from your phone to your PC. Select it, click add item, select the folder that you want, click import, and you'll get the notification down the bottom of the screen. Now that is using your photos area. Like I said, you can copy these over from iCloud and also from OneDrive if you wanted to using this method as well. But what if you wanted to just use File Explorer? Well, File Explorer is also another way that people do like to transfer data over from their phone to their PC. You don't have a nice GUI interface. You just have inside this PC section, you'll see the phone that is being connected right here. You can double click on this and it will open up here. Then you can see phone, double click on there as well. And it will give you all of the folders that are listed on that phone. And what you're interested in here is the DCIM. Click on this and it will give you the camera folder. Go in here and this is where all of your files are stored. These are all your photos and videos that are stored on that phone. And you could just highlight these and copy them over if you want to, or drag and drop and drag them out of there if you want to into a designated area that you want. You can cut and paste, copy and paste, whatever it is that you want to do. So these are the 2 fastest ways of transferring photos and videos from your Android phone to your laptop or your PC. I hope this video has been some sort of use to you. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support. Let me know what method you use in the comments section down below, and I shall catch you in the very next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.